Everyone in?
Yes.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Om Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvada Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namastude Narayani Namastude Narayani Namastude Om Shanti 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 Om Brahmatmanam Brahmadave
ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मेव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मा कर्म समाधिनः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनं देयमश्रितः प्राणा अपाना समयुक्ता पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम्
Om Shanti 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 Welcome, Namaste, Namaskara, Shri Matre Namaha to everyone. Thank you to all of you for participating and joining in the hamper distribution. As we always say at SCAM, prayer is not complete. To say mantra, to do some action, carrying pot on your head, or cleaning, at the temple, picking your hands and praying Karma, that is only one aspect of worship. And in that aspect of worship, the punya is very minimal. So the reason why we encourage everyone to participate in the hamper drive or the hamper drives with every prayer is because we know scripturally the punya is bigger. You get more blessing out of sharing and caring for, I don't want to say the less fortunate, but those that don't have. Okay? Sometimes we complain we don't have a loaf of bread at home, but there's a 20 kg bucket of rice in the cupboard that we can still cook. There's people out there that don't have it, So what we have as a team effort, we all shared the list of the hampers and jointly we managed to raise all of the money and put together all of the items. Jointly we packed the hampers. That is where the punya is. That is where our blessing is. So I pray Kaliyama's choices blessings upon each and every one of you. Also, choices blessings upon those that contributed in some way and even couldn't make it or to be here or whatever. But just jointly to all of our SCAM family and extended Gauteng family, I want to say, that got together to make this possible also. So remember, the intention is that we want every home that we give the hamper to, that it must last them for up to a month, 2 months if possible, And the only way that can happen is if we give it with love and a smile. That way, the mother will sit in that hamper. The flour will last. Rather than making one batch of roti, the auntie can make 2 batches of roti, So that's the intention, okay? So let's just make sure when we're out there giving the hampers out as well, we follow the procedures and that, and we give it out with love, okay? So from here, our job is done, but now Cherise takes over. She is shy to talk, I'll talk to her. So our youth have jointly started from the beginning of this year. Our YLT youth, some of the HMBM and SCAM youth have jointly started going out and doing the investigations themselves. So when I say investigations, sometimes people may say, how do you know who you're giving the hampers to? Our youth team took it upon themselves, and they now go to every house to give out the ticket, to tell them where to meet us, and to ensure that the people actually do know it. You know? So I think a big round of applause to thank you for the time, because in the midst of all of our busyness, they had to sacrifice the time to go in the week to go and do it and that. So thank you very much. Appreciate it. And then now it's up to Sherry. She'll give us the instruction from here, and then Guru Theo also will meet us in lanes. But they'll give us the instruction from there. I think we load the hampers for lanes, so from here we'll all get together. If you have your own cars, don't jump one person in a car. We also have to remember to save rather than people only, also the environment, right? So if there's lots of cars going from here, let's jump in cars to fill the cars, if we go in, okay? So that we go with a lesser amount of cars and reduce carbon, you know? So our carbon footprint. And then when we're there again, we'll take guidance from Guru Theo and Sherry so that it's not too chaotic. And what we'll also do is, because there's lots of us here, let's give opportunities. So maybe one lot do in lanes. When we come back, some can do extension 10. When we come back, some can do lane south, okay? That means offloading the hampers, helping. Some of the ammas can't carry it themselves, so we help them, you know, to carry it and that. And then I think that's all that we need.
One